everyone, welcome back to Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. My name is Tara. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. You know you're part of the what? Grateful gang, gang, gang. Grateful gang, 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 gang. Grateful gang, gang, gang. Grateful gang, 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 gang. If you're not a part of Grateful Gang, we'd love to have you over here. We'd be grateful for you. Just go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. It costs you nothing. It's free 99. All right, today is another day of Vlogmas. Come on, Vlogmas. We're gonna do Vlogmas. Come on, Vlogmas. Welcome to Vlogmas. Over here on this channel, we're doing a minimum of the 12 days of Vlogmas. If you get all 25 or 24, then amen. But we're committed to at least 12, okay? So today we're going to be doing our cash unstuffing of our paycheck number 2 in November, and we're going to be restuffing our paycheck number 1 of December, which we get three, my lord. So excited about that. So let's get started. First, we're going to unstuff. We got to go into our wallet. And here are our categories. And we're going to go through what was spent. You guys, I did well because I had extra money for Thanksgiving. I didn't spend so much in groceries. I actually ended up eating out mostly. So groceries normally gets 90. And we actually have, well, let's look at our tracker and see what we should have. We started with $90. Lies. We started with $90 on 11/18. And we only spent $30, and that was on eating out for Domino's, and $60 should be left. 20, 40, 50, 60. I found my little makeshift Dollar Tree bootleg money holder and lost it already. Such is life. $60. That's nothing to be sneezed about, okay? Nope. So that's $60 in groceries. Then for gasolina, the tracker says we had on 11/18 we had $60. Went and got gas on 11/19 and spent $15, which was $45 left. Then yesterday on 11/30 we did $25 and filled her up until we have $20 left and a full tank. And so we have what? $20 left. Love to see it. Then we have allowance. Oh, allowance. There's actually money left in allowance. Who are we? I don't know. So allowance started with 30. We went to JJ Fist on the same day, 11/18. And 11/18, we spent $10. I'm sure there was some change, but I have change in my purse that I use. And then that's $20 left. And then we went to Popeye, spent another $10. This is semi-untrue on 11/30. It was yesterday. So what actually happened is the Popeyes was 13 and some change. Or 12 and some change. And I took $30 from the giving, and you'll see in a minute. So $10 should be left in allowance. And there is our $10 left in allowance. Then we have self-care right here. And our tracker in self-care says that we started with 40 in self-care. Then on, I don't know where the receipt is, but I know I spent $27 in Dollar Tree. And I was buying things for like the house, a few snacks, and I'm sure I did a Dollar Tree haul on my other channel. But that was only $13 left. And let's make sure we have $13 left. 1, 2, 3, 10. So 10, 11, 12, $13 left. Love to see it. All right, and giving has nothing. So giving started with 5. I gave 3 to Domino's as a tip, and I gave Popeyes 3, like I just told y'all about, and there's $0. So one of those are used correctly, the other one not so much. And that's okay. Money is there to be spent, and I'm super happy with where we are actually. So let me actually leave that out. Now let's see how much we have total left. We have 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 2, 101, 2, 3. We have $103, y'all. That's amazing. Let me tell you why I'm not super happy. Because we put money on our credit card, and from holiday shopping and stuff. So I'm not like super excited about this because I feel like some of it's gonna have to go back to that. But overall, we didn't spend both, right? We didn't go on our card and we didn't go spending all our money. So we have 103 there. Perfecto. So yay. Now let's go to where the money resides. Where the money resides. Where the money resides. Okay, I'm sorry.
I'm asked, what the what? What the money reside? What the money reside? What the money reside? What the money reside? Okay.
I get excited. I love that part. And let's put that over here with Agnes. Y'all see Agnes. And we got Rudolph, but he ain't got his red nose yet, okay? Maybe that's Blitzen. Which one of the reindeers is that one? I don't know. So we should have $220. Take $220 every 2 weeks to fill up our variable expenses. So we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 200, 10, and 20. $220 at your service. So let's go ahead and restuff our categories. So groceries gets $90. So 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90. $90 in groceries. And let's go ahead and update our tracker now. Not even playing no games, fam. I need a highlighter. All right. Today is December 1st. Happy December, guys. Y'all not going to see this December 1st, but it is December 1st today. So happy December. We're in the swing of things now. And this is going to be, just put cash stuffing. CS, we're adding 90. So that's filled out. Okay, and then we've got gas, which is going to get 60, which is doing okay, but I've noticed that gas has started to go back up, at least where I live. The other day it was like 260 something. When I went to fill up yesterday, it was 280 something. And I was like, oh, no. So 12-1, we're going to do cash stuffing, and that's going to be adding $60 for a total of $60. So 20, 40, 50, 60, $60. All right. Then we have allowance. Allowance is going to get 30. So, should I do? Yeah, we're going to do $10, $20, $30. We're going to fill out our allowance sheet here. Our little highlighter. So we know we started a new 2 weeks. This is 12-1, and this is going to be for cash stuffing, adding $30 for a total of $30. And then we have our self-care, which gets 40, 20, 40. And then we'll update our sheet. $12.1, cash stuffing, adding 40. 40. Big baby. Okay. All right, and last but not least, we have giving, but we don't have any money for giving yet. What we're going to do we have any? We always end up pulling giving from here. The lowest denomination we have is 10, so guess what? Giving, well, we have $3, but we're not doing that. Giving is actually getting 10. Hopefully we can give it out. I would prefer if I had singles, and maybe I can make change. I don't think so, though. I don't really have that much cash owns me. Well, let me see. Hold on, y'all. Let's check this real quick. See if we have anything in here. For like, no, see, that's 10 and a 20. And then I don't think this one, well, let's see, what does this have? 1, 2, 3, 4. How do we make this work? Because I kind of want to just make it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to make it 5 like normal, and I'm going to know that I owe this $5. $4. We'll be going to this next, so owing $4. We should not forget that just that fast. Okay. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, $5 to giving like we normally do. But I think this time of year I've been able to find a lot of people to give to, but then again, me being me, because of the holiday rush, your girl really ain't trying to be out there cash stuffing. And it's plus $5 and $5. Okay. So all of our money has been stuffed again. I'm gonna put it back in our wallet, and we're ready for the next 2 weeks. Yay! Now, we should have 102 or something, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 1, 2. We have $102 left. So we owe this $4. So we're just going to give it 10. I'm sorry, we're going to give it 10, meaning we'll give it back as 4 and we're giving it an extra 6. So that's already 6 going to there. So we're going to just put this back here, and we're going to come back to it. Now, in our Christmas savings, we're going to do 20 at least. We don't have no 5s. So we're going to do 20. 10. Yeah. The 20 is going to go in here. And honestly, y'all, this is going to end up going on the credit card anyway. 10, 20, 30, 50. I'm sorry. 20, 30, 40. Really? 20, 30, 40, $50 in the savings so far. This is going to end up going to the credit card because a lot of my Christmas things I've been putting on the credit card. But I'm going to save all the way through December and see where we're at. And then for this is our emergency fund. So we still have 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 1, 2. What I'm going to do is put 20, 40, 50 extra dollars to the emergency fund. Actually, we put 56, right? We put $56. Hold on, you guys. I don't want to forget to put in the numbers in our planner, our Clever Fox planner. If you like this planner, you can get 10% off. A code is down below for that, but we're not here for that right now. So for emergency fund for this week, we're putting an extra 56 because we had 34. We had 34, and then we added 20, 40, 50, and the extra 6 because there was only 4. Yeah. So we added $56. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. And then to the holiday savings, we added another $20. Yeah. We're doing good, you guys. Now you're like, Tara, why didn't you just put that all to the emergency fund? Because I know for a fact that's where we're keeping. Oh, actually, I need to take this out because this is going into the bank. This is going to the ATM bank today, so we can transfer it into our emergency fund, so we can do an emergency fund update. And then this extra $10, $20, $2 is going to go to the credit card because the credit card needs some help right now. So the $22 will go to the credit card, and the 50, 20, 40, 60, oh no, wow, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, $90. The $90 will be going to Ooh, the $90 will be going to the emergency fund. Come on, emergency fund. I'm excited. I'm excited.
So excited. So excited.
All right. So that's the way that's going to play out. We're going to leave our money. Actually, we're going to leave the money that we're saving towards Christmas stuff, which is anything I buy, like for the house, for friends, whatever. That will stay in here. This 90 is going to go to the emergency fund. This is going to get deposited to go to the credit card. And I'll leave myself little sticky notes on each of these so I know exactly what I'm doing. And then you'll see how much we saved in the emergency fund for the month of November. I'm super excited because it turned out to be more than I thought it was going to be. But that's it, you guys. Thanks so much for watching. Remember, in order to be great, you have to be grateful. And I'm super duper grateful for you. Have a wonderful, blessed day. Remember, it's Faith Over Fear this year. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new here and you liked it, don't forget to subscribe. It's Faith Over Fear this year, but not this year is just what? Forever, forever, ever, forever, ever, ever, forever, ever, forever, ever, Okay, bye.